So in this website I have just seen an about us section which is looking very good. So if you want to build this kind of about us section in your website, then just watch the full video. Inshallah, I'm gonna show you how you can build this kind of about us section. So this is a website which is called Foodie, and here is the link of the website, and you can just visit this amazing website template which is built by Webflow. So first of all, open your Webflow project. So I have just taken a section here. At first select the section and add a container inside the section. So I have just given the top padding of the section to 40 pixel and bottom padding of the section to 80 pixel. Then select the container and set the maximum width of the container to 80%. Okay, it's looking good. Now selecting the container, add a heading inside the container and add a text block inside the container below the heading. Now I'm gonna just give heading which is our team. Okay, now I'm gonna increase the size of the heading to 70 pixel. Then I'm gonna align the heading to the center like this. Then insert some text inside the text block. Now I'm gonna align the text into the center. So now selecting the text block, give it the margin of 30 pixel. Now select the container and add a grid inside the container below the text block. Okay, now currently there are 2 rows and 2 columns inside the grid, but I'm gonna delete a row and add 2 new columns inside the grid. So now this is 1 row and 4 column grid. Okay, now select the grid and give it a top margin of 40 pixel. After that, select the grid and add div blocks in each of the column. After that, I'm going to insert images into each of the div block. To insert the image, click on the assets. So I'm going to add first image into the first column. Then I'm going to add this image to the second column, and I'm going to add this image to the third column, and I'm going to insert this image to the fourth column. Okay, all the images are inside the div block. Okay, now select the first image and set the weight to 230 and height to 230. Select the second image, set the width to 230 and height to 230. After that, select the third image and set the width to 230 and height to 230. Select the fourth image, set the height to 230 into 230. Okay, now select the first div block and insert a text block inside the div block. So the text block should be below the image like this inside the div block. Okay, now give this text block a class of 7. Okay, now selecting the text block, press Ctrl C. After that, select the second div block and press Ctrl V. Select the third div block, press Ctrl V. Select the fourth div block, press Ctrl V. In this div block, I'm gonna write the names of the chefs. Okay, I've just finished writing the names of the chefs. Okay, after that, select the text block and change the weight from normal to bold. Okay, now increase that size to 22 pixel. Okay, now set the margin of the text block to 10 pixel. Yeah, it's looking good. And after that, select the first div block and click on this flex box. Then change the direction to vertical and then align the elements inside this div block to the center like this. And then select the second div block, change the display to flex box, change the direction to vertical and align the elements inside the div block to center. After that, select the third div block. Same here. Change the display to the flex box. Change the direction to vertical and align the elements inside the div block to center. Change it to flex box, then vertical, then align the elements to center. Okay. After that, select the first div block. Then insert another text block inside the first div block under the name of the chefs. Okay. Give this text block a class of 8. Then press Ctrl C to copy. Then select the second div block. Then press Ctrl V. Select the third div block. Press Ctrl V. Select the fourth div block. Press Ctrl V. And after that, just insert the text inside the div block. And after that, select the first div block and second text block. Then set the margin of the text block to 10 pixel. Okay, the 5 pixel will look good. So according to the title of the video and thumbnail, I have just completed building the about us section of this website. So thanks for watching the video, and if you find this video helpful, then just click the like button. And if you like to get this kind of videos more, then just click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you'll be able to get this kind of videos as soon as I upload.